Hi everybody, this is Shannon from Smith & Daughters here, and I'm really excited to welcome you all into my home so I can teach you a beautiful and delicious recipe that's super easy and super fast using mostly pantry staples. Now tonight we'll be making Tubetti and brodo. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Canned chickpeas, chili flakes, radicchio, onions and garlic, chicken stock cubes, fennel seeds, Tubetti pasta, and any kind of white wine you have in the fridge. Okay, those onions were a little bit spicier than I expected, but we are now going to come over to our stove, put it on a medium-high heat, and heat up some olive oil. We're adding our sliced onions to the pan, and we're going to cook these over a medium-low heat until they begin to soften. At this point, you want to throw in a big pinch of salt. Now we'll add our garlic straight into our pan along with our onions that have begun to soften. Next, I'm adding some whole fennel seeds and chili flakes. Next, we add in our chickpeas. So while our chickpeas are cooking away, we're going to get our radicchio. I'm just going to halve him and cut them into rough chunks. And we're going to put this straight into the pot. As you can see now, that radicchio is wilted down beautifully. We're gonna get our pasta, throw it over the top. Now to add the stock with your white wine, just a generous glug. You wanna add plenty of cracked black pepper. Put the lid on and just let it do its thing for about 10 minutes. While the pasta is cooking, I'd love to use this opportunity to explain to you all that there is absolutely no lack of food and essentials out there right now. If you have a look in your local community, you will find restaurants and stores doing everything they can to quickly transform into your new corner store. There is no need to panic buy out there. Australia is full of some of the most beautiful produce in the world that we can all get our hands on. Now to finish, season with salt, vegan parmesan, and some freshly chopped parsley. And there you have it, guys. This is super healthy, really great for you. And I promise you that if you make this, you'll make it over and over again, and it will be a part of your regular meals even after this whole nightmare is over.